मान्य सभासदों, मान्य उपसभापति जी।
Now,
बिल है वो विड्रॉ करना है 1 मिनट के लिए वो ऑनरेबल। हाँ?
if the House agrees, I have no problem. Your withdrawal of a bill.
Most of the members have gone, others have
Withdrawal,
moved their seats.
withdrawal.
Oh, withdrawn. Fine. Oh, you want to withdraw the bill? Fine.
Deputy Chairman, sir, I beg
Sir,
to
that's
move
fine.
for leave to withdraw a bill for
Okay.
Constitution
Yeah.
of Commercial Courts, Commercial Division and Commercial Appellate Division in High Courts for adjudicating commercial disputes of specified value and the matter connected therewith or incidental thereto. Only one submission, Deputy Chairman, sir. The statement laid by me on 26th November, where it was said that the parliamentary related standing committee has not submitted its report. However, yesterday, 10th December, the committee has presented its report before this House.
So question is that leave be granted to withdraw the bill? No. Question is that leave be granted to withdraw the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have, the ayes have, the ayes have. The motion is adopted and bill is withdrawn by the leave of the House. Yes. Now, just presenting supplementary demand. That also, yeah. Mr. Arun Jaitley.
Table a statement in English and Hindi showing the supplementary demand for grants for the general year, for general 2015-16.
So 1 year, 1 minute has been taken away from the private members' business. No, please, let me say, sir, no, nothing. See, no, listen. क्या? हाँ.
से ये जो प्राइवेट मेंबर डे के ऊपर अपना रेजोल्यूशन लगा है, मेरी उन लोगों से प्रार्थना है कि भाई आज गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस को प्राइवेट मेंबर के लिए चलने दे सर, इसके लिए जी।
I will allow you, please. No. What I want to say is only this. You have taken 2 minutes from private members' time. Therefore, the 2 minutes will be taken in the, that is 5-2. We will have private members' business up to 2 minutes. That's all, because you have taken 2 minutes. That's all my point. Now, yes. Now let me first listen to Vijay. No, let me listen to you first, because he was first there. I will allow you.
सर
I will allow. Vijay Goyal, I allowed. Anand Sharma ji, I will allow you. Yeah, Mr. Vijay Goyal.
मेरा निवेदन ये है
Yeah,
कि आज प्राइवेट मेंबर डे है
yeah.
और इसमें हम सब लोग जानते हैं और कोशिश करते हैं कि हम जो जनता के महत्व के मुद्दे हैं उनको यहाँ पर उठाएं। उनमें से आज मेरा रेजोल्यूशन इसके ऊपर लगा हुआ है लॉटरी को लेके। अरे सुनिए ना, आपका भी है। हाँ, मैं आपके साथ
Let me listen to that. I allowed him, please.
सर, ये जनता का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दा है। मैं ये चाहता हूँ और मैं विपक्ष के अपने साथियों से ये निवेदन करना चाहता हूँ कि कम से कम आपकी जो ग्रीवेंस होंगी वो जरूर रखिए आप, उसमें कोई नहीं है। पूरा देश इस सदन को देख रहा है।
Okay.
हाउस को चलना चाहिए और कम से कम
yes,
प्राइवेट मेंबर का जो बिजनेस है वो तो चले, गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस चले तो और भी अच्छी बात है, पर प्राइवेट मेंबर्स का तो चलने दीजिए सर। ऐसा मेरा आपको निवेदन है।
सुन लिया
आपने मुझे सुन लिया, इसके लिए धन्यवाद।
आपका पॉइंट सुन लिया, बैठिए। Now Sri Anand Sharma, let me listen to Anand Sharma, Mr. Govardhan Reddy. Yes.
Deputy Chairman, sir, I want to draw your attention to the revised list of business for today.
What is that?
Now the House was to take up the private members' business,
Yeah.
and after the private members' business is over, that has been the understanding that at 5 o'clock the House adjourns. Now it has been extended to 6. Last session also, the government had listed bills on a Friday in the evening, and this matter was taken up both inside the House by me and leaders of the other parties, and also in the Business Advisory Committee. Deputy Chairman, sir, it was agreed that this will not be done. Now, most of the members, I speak not only for our members, but also you look at the presence in the House. Normally, members go to their hometowns, their constituencies, and they book the tickets. The flights, many have left, the others have to go to the airport. So it will not be proper nor fair to have this business at all. And this is what we would say, and the government should agree.
Yes,
देखिए
Mr. Naqvi.
प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल या बिजनेस वो 5 बजे तक है और 5 बजे से लेकर के 6 बजे के बीच में जो ये 3 बिल लगे हुए हैं वो है 6 बजे या उसके आगे तक। निश्चित तौर से ये हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी है, ये हमारा निर्णय भी है कि हाउस जो है वो 6 बजे तक चलेगा और 2:30 बजे से लेकर के 5 बजे तक प्राइवेट मेंबर बिजनेस और उसके बाद जो है ये जो लेजिस्लेटिव बिजनेस है वो होगा। इसमें मुझे लगता है कि इसमें कोई आपत्ति किसी को नहीं होनी चाहिए। अगर जो है वो आपको लगता है कि आप हाउस का जो अभी तक का निर्णय है उसको कोई चेंज होना है तो वो बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में जब निर्णय होगा तो होगा। अभी जो है वो प्राइवेट मेंबर बिजनेस चलने दीजिए और उसके बाद बिल पे चर्चा होगी। और अगर आप बिल पे चर्चा करने को तैयार है तो मुझे लगता है कि ये तरीका ठीक नहीं कि साहब हम प्राइवेट मेंबर चलने देंगे, हम जो है वो शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन चलने देंगे, हम जो है वो कॉलिंग अटेंशन चलने देंगे, लेकिन हम कोई भी सरकारी बिल नहीं होने देंगे। ये तरीका ठीक नहीं है।
Yes, Raja. I'll call you. Raja.
Sir,
Yes, Raja.
I have 2 points to make, sir. One, today is private members' day. My resolution against capital punishment.
That's a different issue. Let us solve this.
No, I was listed during monsoon session. Parliament didn't work. Rajya Sabha didn't work. So the House decided to take it during winter session. Now it has.
We'll
been
take it up
listed.
today.
That's what.
Ah.
If House doesn't work, I
It should
appeal
work.
to the House.
Why you say it doesn't work?
No, we are discussing, we are not
Yeah,
entering
let us
into
work.
business. So I am making the appeal. This House should agree to take it up in the next immediate available opportunity.
If it doesn't work today,
Yeah,
let us try to work today.
that-
If not, we will consider that.
My second point, as far as official business is concerned, government can be more accommodative. Today is private members bill. Don't push that's what you consider.
Okay, we fishing better on. And then after that,
The BAC decides only how many hours one bill has to be done and what is the, the House is going to discuss. But it is actually the House which decides whether we can sit after 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It is the House which decides. So let the House decide it. But after the private members bill, we must sit and do it.
yeah, Mr. Derek O'Brien. Derek O'Brien.
Sir, there are two issues here. First is the private members. Second is this 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock,
Yeah.
which I completely agree. 5 to 6. So let us agree, sir.
Yeah.
1 minute. 1 minute. The question is not only today, but for subsequent weeks also. Please, sir, I humbly submit to you, take a quick sense of the House today. Or do it now, sir. 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, the sense of the House is there should be no business, sir. We are not based in Delhi. Sir, this is not a Delhi-based parliament. This is a states. We all have to go back to our states. So please, the
Okay,
sense, it's
now-
across parties, sir.
Okay.
Across parties. Take a sense now. So you want to do the private members every week from 2:30 to 5 o'clock, it's fair enough. But after 5, sir, the sense of the House seems to be...
Not now. Not now. Sir, sense of the House after 5.
Sir,
Not
the
now.
sense of the House. You can get a sense of the... Sir, this is precious time, sir, private members' time. Let us take a sense of the House now. We discussed informally with the chairman. Now we can discuss it here. Sense of the House is at 5 o'clock. There should be no government business, sir. Come on. Come on now. Yeah.
Yes.
जैसा कि अभी हमारे एक सहयोगी साथी ने कहा, ओब्रायन ने, सर उस मामले में हमारी बात भी हो चुकी है, चैम्बर में भी बात हुई है, यहाँ भी बात हुई है और उसके बाद ये तय हुआ था कि 2:30 बजे आज हम लोग यहाँ सेंस ऑफ द हाउस लेंगे और अगर हाउस इस बात पर एग्री करेगा कि 5 के बाद बिजनेस होनी है तब 5 बजे के बाद बिजनेस आज रखी जाएगी, अन्यथा 5 बजे के बाद आज बिजनेस नहीं रखी जाएगी। आगे के दिनों का जहां तक सवाल है उसके लिए बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी अधिकृत है और वही बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में इस पर आगे के मामले में निर्णय हो जाएगा। पर जहां तक आज का सवाल है, आज के लिए 5 बजे के बाद बिजनेस होगी या नहीं होगी, उस पर आपसे अनुरोध है कि आप हाउस का सेंस ले लें और उसके बाद आप अपना निर्णय दे दें।
Okay, now listen, please. Let me.
देखिए सर, परंपरा ये है कि अगर 5 बजे के बाद हाउस नहीं चलना है या चलना है तो वो 5 बजे सेंस ऑफ द हाउस होगा, अभी नहीं हो सकता। इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल नाउ।
Now please listen. Now please. Now let me say. Now first, see, the first. Now please. Abati, you are a good. Okay, now the issue is, huh?
तरफ से बोलने का मौका दिया जाए।
आपका पार्टी, अरे क्या, I'm sorry, we are all above party, above party line. We are doing. Okay, क्या बोलना है?
सर, जो पुरानी परंपराएं सदन के संचालन की रही हैं, उसमें बीएससी की एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका है जो हम लगातार मीटिंग करके तय करते हैं, और अगर किसी विषय पे व्यवधान है तो सेंस ऑफ हाउस से हम काम चलाते हैं। कई मौकों पर ऐसा आया है जब इधर और इधर विवाद हुआ है तो आपने जो फैसले लिए वो सेंस ऑफ हाउस पे सर, उसमें एक टेक्निकल पॉइंट ये है कि सेंस ऑफ हाउस 5 बजे से पहले हो के बाद में हो, तो आज जो है प्राइवेट मेंबर का टाइम बर्बाद ना करके मेरा आपसे निवेदन है कि 5 बजे के बाद का जो सरकारी कामकाज थोपा जा रहा है उसको आप ना माने।
I will go now, please. Now let me come to yes. The first issue raised by Sri Anand Sharma, see whether after 5 p.m. other members also raised, and in the Honorable Chairman's chamber also, I know came and this issue was raised, whether after 5 p.m. on Friday, government business can be enlisted in the list of business. I already told you, the rule is that 2.5 hours is set apart for private members' bill. And we start private members' bill at 2:30. That means up to 5 p.m. If we took some extra time, that is also compensated for. So after 5 p.m., there is nothing wrong between 5 and 6 in government including their business in the list of business. There is nothing wrong in that. That is the first point. Then second point is, Mr. V.P. Singh Badnor, Mr. Derek O'Brien, from this side also, Mr. Sadr Chaturvedi all said, go by the sense of the house. I always go by the sense of the house, and house is supreme. But sense of the house cannot be on one side only. It should be from both sides. I see from the right side, they are not concurring with your view. That means that is not a sense. Yeah. No, sense of the house, see, I tell you, no, see, sense of the house means, one second, sense of the house means treasury benches and the opposition benches should agree. Sense of the house cannot be only opposition members. That is the point. I have no problem. See, I have no problem if from the government side they agree, today being Friday, no, I got your argument. I am saying that. I have no problem if from the government side, if they agree, today being Friday, and the members want to go early, most of the flights are at 6 p.m. Of course, for me also the flight is at 6 p.m. From the government side, if they agree that today we will sit up to 5 p.m., then if the government side also agree, then I can say there is a, no, Baba, sit down. Then I can say there is consensus. But at present, because the government has disagreed, I cannot decide on consensus. That is. So what is the, no please, I will go by procedure. Yes.
Sir,
consensus means both sides.
सर इनका
Do you
ऑब्जेक्शन
agree?
जो
That's
है,
all.
इनका ऑब्जेक्शन जो है वो 6 बजे तक बैठने का नहीं है। इनका ऑब्जेक्शन ये है कि कोई भी गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस हम नहीं होने देंगे। ऑब्जेक्शन ये है, 6 बजे तक बैठने का नहीं है। मुख्य ऑब्जेक्शन ये है, अगर इनको ये लगता है कि इन्हें तुरंत कहीं जल्दी जाना है तो हमारा रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप आधे घंटे में एक जो है वो गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस भी कर लीजिए, एक बिल पास कर दीजिए, उसके बाद छुट्टी।
Okay.
ये स्वभाव के अच्छे मजाक कर रहे हैं, गंभीर बात है। ज्यादातर मेंबर्स चले गए हैं, बाकियों को अपना फ्लाइट पकड़ना है, और सेंस ऑफ द हाउस यूनैनिमिटी तो नहीं होता उपसभापति महोदय। अगर सरकार अपने हट पर अडिग है तो फिर आप बहुमत देख लें कि बहुमत क्या चाहता है।
सर एक निवेदन कर लेता हूं। सर सदन के नेता यहाँ मौजूद हैं, मैं सदन के नेता का ध्यान खास तौर से आमंत्रित करना चाहता हूं। सर पूरे सदन की स्थिति को देखते हुए वो स्वयं भी परिचित हैं कि अधिकांश सदस्य आज जा चुके हैं, जो बाकी बचे हैं उनको जाना है। मैं उन्हीं से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वो कृपा करके इस मामले में कोई जिद्दी न करके आप खुद आकर के आगे आज शाम के 5 बजे के बाद का बिजनेस आप खुद ही कह दीजिए, क्यों हमको वोटिंग करनी पड़े। इस मामले में स्वयं सक्षम।
Yeah. I'll allow.
To lay report.
Yeah.
I seek your permission to lay report.
Which report?
Standing committee report. In the morning I did
I'll
not
call
lay.
you. Wait.
If you are ready.
I'll call you. Wait. So. Morning में absent था. Don't worry. Sit down. You can do it later. No. So then, I don't see consensus on this proposal. Therefore, I am going to take up private members' business. Private.
May not be. Sir, I want you to kindly consider whether the sense of the House means consensus or unanimity, but consensus also does not mean unanimity. Even the word consensus does not mean unanimity.
It don't be unanimity.
If the large number of parties, leaders of parties have spoken are of this view, then that should be the sense of the House. Minority cannot be the sense of the House, even if it's the ruling party.
No.
Sir, you have
Sense
to
of
look
the
at
House means
all of us.
both sides.
Sir,
Both sides should come.
we would urge the government not to, because we know, and the government also knows. It's not a question. Once we are requesting, then let this not
I
be
told her
made
if the
into
government,
a
I'll be happy
issue.
if the government agrees. That I told you because
what we have requested.
that's a different point.
Otherwise, in any case, sir, let's not. Let's have a happy weekend. Let members go.
Minority, sir. It is the question of house to function.
No, it is you are not you are not deciding on a resolution or on a motion. Then it is majority. I agree. It is sense. See, the point is,
is what I'm
Rajaji,
saying.
there is a difference between taking a decision on the basis of vote. That is majority. Then majority is enough. I agree. You may have majority, but sense of the House means it is not majority. It is different. This section also. I cannot ignore this section and and say it is sense of the House.
The issue which we are discussing is to have the business after 5 o'clock or not.
Yeah.
And it cannot be a question of majority minority. It is question of practicality.
No, the practicality when
that is where
for that government also should say government also should have.
Sir, 1 minute. Sense of the House, आप अगर ये लेना चाहते हैं कि 6 बजे तक हाउस चले कि नहीं चले, यही है ना? आपका यही है ना? एक मिनट, क्या है ये 6 बजे तक चलने का है कि 6 बजे तक चलना चाहिए कि नहीं चलना चाहिए, यही है? अब मैं मेरी बात सुनिए, 2 घंटे का प्राइवेट मेंबर बिजनेस का टाइम है, 3 बज रहा है, वैसे भी 6 बजे तक चलना है, तो उसमें तो उसके बाद जो है वो आप सेंस ऑफ द हाउस ले लीजिएगा। अगर ये सेंस ऑफ द हाउस है कि हम जो है वो कोई गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस नहीं करने देंगे, तो हमें लगता है कि सत्यव्रत जी ये न्याय नहीं है। आप प्राइवेट मेंबर भी बिजनेस होना चाहिए, कॉलिंग अटेंशन भी होना चाहिए, शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन डिस्कशन भी होना चाहिए, और देश के विकास से जुड़े हुए मुद्दों पर भी चर्चा होनी चाहिए, बिल पर भी चर्चा होनी चाहिए। उसमें नहीं करेंगे आप और सब कुछ करने को तैयार है, ये ठीक नहीं है।
देखा जाए। हम आपसे निवेदन करते हैं कि हमारी बात को सुना जाए,
What can I do?
हमारी बात को सुना जाए।
What can I do?
स्पेशल मेंशन है सर इनके।
I will give you time. Be there, be there. उधर रहो, no. I will give you time. House is adjourned up to 3:30. 3:30 p.m. 3:30.